Hi guys, what's up? It's Jordan. So starting this video off with a face mask on. Again, I don't know why I start videos like this because I just look bad, but whatever. Okay, anyways, so hi, what's up? It's me. Welcome back. If you're new, what's up? My dog is having a nap currently. But I'm doing a face mask right now and I thought I would just film like a cute little chatty kind of get ready with me. What was I gonna say? I have some friends coming from out of town and we're gonna go for lunch. So I wanted to like get a little bit ready because my skin has been breaking out so bad, guys. I'll show you once the face mask is off, but like up in here and like in here, that's why I randomly just like have face mask right here and like not on this side, because there's like breakouts here and I have breakouts all on my chin and I'm like, hello, this is rude. You're not wanted here, please leave, go home. So I kind of like wanted to talk about all the drama going on in the YouTube community, like Tana and Jake getting married, Summer Mckeen drama, Beautycon. Even though these happened like a couple weeks ago, we're gonna talk about them just because I think it's so fun. I guess we can start off with the Jana wedding, just because, you know, just because. So people think it's fake. I don't know what I think, truthfully, because it's all very quick. Now, I mean, their marriage like isn't legal, which is like fine, whatever, like whatever. But they like didn't sign like documentation, so like technically they're not married. Like in the eyes of the government, they're not married. So was it like for clout? Was it just for views? I guess we'll never know, but there's so many people that are like mad about it and I'm kind of like, okay, but like even if it was just like a clout wedding, a views wedding, they're YouTubers. Of course things of course things they do are gonna be for views. So I mean, why are you mad about it if it is just for views? I don't know if I think it's fake, because along the way of like the planning, she was like posting things that like on like a planning sheet, like it said like in, I don't remember what it said, but it said something like in holy like cloutrimony or like something for clout, and like she like it said something that was like proper and she added in and then wrote clout to be like in the beginning of it. So I'm kind of like, is it fake? But now, so apparently like Tana had to go handle some family business in Vegas, which like I think a family member passed away, which sorry for your loss, Tana, that's awful, I'm really sorry that happened to you. Me talking like she's gonna watch this video. And apparently Jake was out for lunch with Erica Costel, his ex. And so I saw this like video and like Tana posted and she was like, when he goes out for lunch with your ex, then you find out through Twitter. And I was like, ooh. So people are saying that like Jake cheated on her, but I'm kind of like, if he's just going out for lunch with his ex, maybe it's just like clear some bad blood that they're having, because who wants bad blood? Like nobody wants bad blood, even with an ex. Like there's no point. It's just so much energy wasted to have bad blood with somebody. It doesn't make any sense. So I mean, like if it's to do that, then like that's kind of good, because then he can truly put all of his energy into Tana, and then maybe they can actually get married for real one day. Wow, there's so many things that have happened and they've been like married for 2 weeks. But also apparently people are saying that he like cheated on her on the honeymoon he went on without her. People are like, oh, he definitely cheated on Tana, he's hanging out with all these models, blah blah blah. And he put out that she would be like happy for him, like networking and being friends with females. And I'm like, okay bro, for when? Don't be stupid. Tana, fill us in, please. Okay, so I washed my face mask off and cleansed my face. Now you can see my fucking breakouts. They're all like in here and here and here, and it's not cute. So we're trying to take really good care of the skin. I'm just gonna moisturize with this Sephora hyaluronic acid moisturizer, the one that I've been using forever, that I say I don't like, but I still use it. Summer Mckeen. Okay, she's like under fire lately, and like I kind of feel bad for her. I'm also kind of like, Summer, like watch what you put out there, dude. Like, okay, so her Finsta like got hacked or something, I think, and people started like posting the videos that she posted on her Finsta, which were like not great videos. So she's like, I think she's like 20, maybe. She might be the same age as me, I don't really know. I think she's 20, and she has always said that she's very religious, she's Mormon, like whatever. She doesn't really talk about it, like I get that, that's a really touchy subject for some people, and like it can turn into a big debate really fast. So like, I'm in with my Cover FX blurring primer. She's always like portrayed this like really nice, down-to-earth like girl, and I'm kind of like, damn, like good for you girl, like sticking to your roots even though you have like 2 million like YouTube subscribers now, which is like nice to see. Lots of people turn into like divas. Not that like I know like firsthand, because who am I? A girl from Canada. But her Finsta got hacked, and videos got posted of her and Hannah Maloche like laughing at fan edits and like kind of saying like, why is this person in this video? Where am I in this video? Like, why am I not in this? Being kind of like rude about it, and I'm like, damn girl, like that's not cute. And like people like saw that and were like, girl, like that's not, like why are you? And like laughing at fan edits is like so bad to like do. And they kind of posted apologies saying like, we weren't laughing like at the edits, we were laughing at like the group of people in the edits. But it's still like, okay, like you're making fun of the way somebody edited something, even if it's just like the people that were put in the edited video, because maybe like the person who edited it, those are their like favorite people in the video, so they just put those people in the video because that's who they like. Like, you don't need to laugh at the group of people that are together. Like, people like who they like, they don't like who they don't like. But then another one got released where she was like smoking a jewel, and like whatever, like I literally have like 2 jewels sitting on my nightstand right there. I'm 20, but like I'm the same age as her. Sorry, that's what I'm saying, not saying that like I'm 20, but like I'm the same age as her, and like I have literally 2 jewels sitting right there. Haven't used them in like 4 months, but I just have them. I used to use it, but like I don't go around saying, oh, jeweling is so bad, it's so bad for you. Like, I'm never gonna do that. You shouldn't put that in your body, like it's not good for you. Like, I know it's not good for you, you shouldn't be putting that in your body, but like I do it. But like I'm not gonna say don't do it, you shouldn't do that, and then go ahead and like post a video of me smoking a jewel, even if it's a CBD pod, like she said, because like, and I mean like CBD is totally like a natural anti-anxiety, like it's amazing for you, total advocate for like CBD. But like when you go around saying like, no, you should never do that, it's not good, and then a video releases of you smoking something, like that's going to be taken so badly, because that is just like so hypocritical, especially something that like affects people's like health so much like that. I don't feel like the CBD thing was so bad, but like what was kind of bad is her saying like, oh, don't do it, it's really bad for you, like I don't believe in that stuff, and then going ahead and like smoking it anyways. Like, if you say, like, if you're gonna smoke CBD, just say that like you don't think the nicotine is good for you, because like nicotine is like the worst thing for you. So like just say that, like say like if you're gonna smoke something, like do CBD or whatever, because CBD is so good for you. But like don't like rule it out altogether and then have something posted of you smoking something, even if it's CBD. like be so upfront. Like if you're smoking CBD, fucking tell people. CBD helps so many people. Just like, dude, like literally just be straight up with people. And I'm not gonna speak on the kind of race-based comments that have come out that she's made, just because I feel like lots of people are like talking about that already. I don't need to talk about it from being just like not a person of color. Everyone knows that was a super bad thing that she said about the powder, so I'm just going to leave that one alone. Also think that we do need to give her a tiny little bit of a break. She's 20, you know, she is gonna do some dumb things. We all do some dumb things. Like, I'm 20 right now. I do dumb things all the time. And it's not because I'm a bad person. I feel like I'm not a bad person. It's because I'm 20 and I'm still learning who I am, who I want to be, what's okay and what's not okay. I mean, I feel like I have a pretty good idea of what's okay and what's not okay, but like, you get what I mean. So like, just because she has 2 million subscribers doesn't mean she's not gonna make mistakes, doesn't mean she's not gonna like do some dumb shit, because like we all do some dumb shit. So like, even though it's like, okay, be straight up with people and like don't say this and then do this, it's like that's where she has to learn from, you know what I mean? Like, it's all about like making mistakes and then growing from them. As long as they are showing that they understand where they were wrong and then grow and change from the situation, that's all that truly matters. So the next thing, so Beautycon happened a few weeks ago in LA, and people are not happy. A lot of people were saying that just like the Beautycon setup is not good. Like, they favorite the influencers who like attend as like talent, who have more followers than others. Like, I watched this one girl's video, I don't even remember her name. I'll link the video down below though, because she explained what happened to her. She watched just people with like millions of subscribers like walk right past the line, and like people like were calling their managers, like crying, saying they had to wait in line and they didn't want to wait. And I was kind of like, whoa, like that's a whole other like side of like influencers and like these events that like we as like viewers don't see, which is crazy to me. And like I really like seeing like the kind of behind the scenes and like what happens that we don't see. Beautycon people were like really rude apparently to some of the like some of the influencers, because they were like, your manager's not here, you have to wait, sucks to be you. And they were like really rude about it, and I was like, whoa, that's weird. Considering Beautycon is this like huge event that happens every single year, that like so many people go to, that so many people like pay money to attend, which is like wild to me. And I'm like, wow. So I'm kind of just gonna do this for makeup. I think I just spot concealed and then did a little bit of contour, blush, and highlight, and then I just like curled my eyelashes so when it's up close like they're longer. But I don't feel like putting on mascara because ugh. I think that's all I'm gonna say about the drama today. I mean, like, I'm fully like not in a position to say much because I only see from an outsider's point of view, but sometimes I feel like the outsider's point of view is like a whole lot more interesting than the actual like insider's point of view. Hi.